Hello guys, welcome to my third video of class 10th computer HSC, and this video is going to be very important because in this video I'm going to explain about what is the basic programming of Java. And guys, please keep watching my videos. I will upload regularly the videos of basic programming and keep going ahead in programming and the lessons of class 10th computer. So without wasting any further time, I should start the topic. Basic programming packages. So before writing any program, we should import a particular package we want to use. That particular package functions. So package is, what is package? Let's understand. A package is a collection of Java classes which are grouped on the basis of their functionality. So packages, a package is a collection of Java classes. Means class, what is class? A group of object, and group of classes is called package, and group of packages make a software. So package is a collection of Java classes which are grouped on the basis of the functionality. So these classes have particular functions. If we want to use particular function, so we should use that classes in that particular package. So there are many packages in Java: java.language, java.util, java.io, java.awt, java.net, java.applet. But there are some important packages: java.util, java.io we should learn in this class 10th. And IO is not that much important because in both they are not given that you should use IO or util. You should particularly use util because it is easy. Util and IO, these are the important packages, but these packages have their particular class, particular function. Util has the class scanner. IO buffer reader. The class is buffer reader. So basically we have to study util, package of util. So let's move to another slide. Importing packages. So what is package? I hope you understand what is package. A package is a group of Java classes which are used on the basis of this functionality. So if we want to use a package in a program, we should have to import that package. We know what is package, but we have to use. So there is a particular syntax that Java provides. So let's see what is written here. Java provides an easy feature of importing all packages without using particular package name. So here another feature of Java is given that Java gives us a symbol asterisk known as the wildcard character, which is used for importing all the package of Java of util function. So we should not use that particular class. We should basically use all in programming import java.util.star asterisk symbol because it is easy. So we can use all the functions of that holds string arrays, loop functions, or some other functions, important functions. So in exam, it can be asked what is the meaning of that asterisk symbol, wildcat character. So you should write this meaning of asterisk symbol is giving command to the compiler that compiler should import entire package. Here example, this is not example. I think this is import java.util. Is the mainly syntax. Of course, we should use in all the programming because don't know how in question which function can be asked. So let's move to the another slide. Scanner class. So in IU comes scanner class because it's important because mainly use scanner class for inputting or getting data. So scanner class is used to read tokens, data types that user inputs. Scanner class is a function to read tokens, data types that user input. So Java converts our language into the computer language. Computer only understands binary language 0 and 1. So for understanding that particular or we type in keyboard, we use scanner class, and it has particular functions of their scanner like next int, next line short, next dot float, and this next is important. Int, next long, next double, next float, next character at. So these all are the methods, the method functions of scanner class. And what is the syntax? If you want something to user to input If we make a program, so program should ask the user to input, then we can find a solution of that particular program. So scanner, variable name, new scanner system, this is all important. In variable name you can write any name, object, keyboard, mouse, copy, pen, anything. But mainly you should mainly use ob, object may use because it is easy. And scanner ob, object, new scanner system.in, this is important. In the syntax of I will explain more. And the input received by scanner class is broken into token using a white space. So if we use two inputs, two method function, example, if we take a variable int a is equal to ob.nextInt, we input 9, and in another we use in double b ob.nextDouble, and we print that both functions. So that function will print 9, then what we have input in double is, take the example of 2.3, so 9 will print first and after some space 2.3 will print, is automatically printed the main keywords by giving the space that users input. So this is important syntax of Java program. So I have explained before that we use asterisk symbol, wildcard character, but mainly you should use asterisk symbol here. Import java.util. Here I've used only scanner because scanner is mainly used for taking data, and we use normal functions like adding, subtracting, multiplication, division. For higher functionality in loop, we should use that asterisk symbol, but mainly you should asterisk symbol only in the place of scanner. Then import java.util.scanner, we have imported the package. Then we should use or give the class name, public class, any name you should give. Example, in question it is asked give a class name of sphere or volume, you should use that particular. If not asked, you should use the question name. Then this curly bracket is important because it is the opening of class, opening of class, it represents opening of class, opening curly bracket. Then public static void main string args, this is compulsory line. This is very important because we have imported the package, we have given the class name, then we have to use the function of that package, that we should give this line. And then for using that function, for opening of the function, we should use that curly bracket again. Then we should write the syntax, what we want to input, what we want to do. And you guys will ask that why we not use that scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, because this is the syntax only. In further program, when it will ask that input from something, from then we will use that particular. If it is not asked in question that input some data, then you should not use scanner. Let's move to another, mathematical functions. So these are the functions you should see or take the snapshot of it, because I will explain more about detail by giving examples. This is important because in upcoming I have given some questions, so this is important. So please read, and I will explain these all in upcoming videos of lessons and basic programming also. So questions, these are the mainly a question. Now you will understand more clearly about questions of basic. So in this question we do not use the scanner, because see, listen, design a class to overload a function volume. Here mainly we should use only public class, because it is not you telling us to import any particular function. Means sorry, it is not telling any import any particular package or we use that function. It is given that we should use that particular function only. And here the how to calculate volume, with height and all other formulas are given. So let's move to my Java software, there where I will tell about these questions, you will understand clearly. So before going to my BlueJ, I should explain about what is the methods of scanner class. These methods are very important because how to know which type of data user input, they are cached by these functions only. So I will explain the functions. Next, boolean function, this is reads the, what is a boolean value. Boolean value is mainly true or false value. When we put anything that returns only a value true or false. It range is only true or false. It is of only 1 byte, means 8 bit, but it uses only 1 bit. Next, byte. So byte is also type of integer, but it ranges from only -128 to 127. It is of only 8 bytes. Next, double is of floating point. There are two categories of floating point: float and double. They both, double and float function, receives only a decimal. If you want to if a user want to input decimal, we should provide this function in some value, like double b is equal to ob dot next double function. Next, integer value. This has many range, means how much integer you can value, -2 billion to approx plus 2 billion. Next line. Line is important only for we want to input some name, like my name Tanmay or Rishi or any name, Yash. These, for this, all these names we should use ob dot next line function or anything. Next, long value. Long value is also a long integer, means it has very approx, I don't know, it is infinite or something. It uses we can input many long integer value. Next, short is a also is a short integer. It is longer than byte. Byte is the length integer, but it is short integer. It ranges from -32.768 to -7.6, which is very short integer. It only takes 2 bytes, means 16 bits. So now I can move to Java BlueJ. So now I'm on my Java editor BlueJ. I use BlueJ program. You can download by typing on your web browser BlueJ, download latest version. So when you come to BlueJ, you should come up project, new project, then you should add a new class. So what is the question I have that given here? I have made printed the question. So what is the question? Design a class to overload a function volume as follows. So mainly we have to design a class. So for designing a class, we should come on new class. Here not given what we should use, that what particular class name. We should use any class. So here all our volume only should use volume class. I should give the name class of, and remember what class name you're giving, you should class name that you should give on the program also. Volume. So in capital, see here many type of class type, but I am using volume. Then let's double click on it, open editor. Then here all are written, you should not worry about this. You should press Ctrl plus A, then remove all of these. So let's type. So sorry. So let's see what is written here. Design a class to overload a function volume as follows. Double volume, double R, first, second. To see these three all are the member methods. So let's start. So we will first, according to syntax, import java dot. We should here it is not given any of the function we have to use. Here given we should use only a function volume. We should not use any other, all the functions. So it is a simple program. We should not use import any package. We should not use any package. It is very simple program. Here given what function we should use, which variable we should use, and all the symbols are also given. So we can directly put public class, what I have given the name, well, that same syntax, and what we have to do, then open curly bracket. This is the opening of class. Then what we have to do, we have to import the write the function. So let's go. So what is given here, double volume, double R with the radius R as an argument. sphere volume. This is the function. So here what function we should use? We should use volume function. So we can type here. We will not type public static void main, because here given here we should use the particular function only. Public static. So which kind of integer they are used? Double. Double. So should we should type double. Double what? Double volume. So here function assigned. Then we should use a radius. We should assign a radius. In they are given a capital, so you should use capital R. Then we should, for using that function, what we have to do? We have to put a curly bracket. That is the opening of main function. Then comes what? Then we have to return the volume of the sphere using the formula. This is the formula. So it is a formula. It can come in decimal also. If we put 3 radius 3.2 3.4, then the answer will be in the decimal only. So you should, for decimal, I have told what? Double. We should use double. Double. We can assign, I will take there given v, so you should use v. Then what is the formula? You should 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r to the power 3. So 4 by 3. We should use 4.0 because 4.0, sorry, because here we are using double. So you should put the value in double only. 3.2 into, this is not an arbitrary symbol, it is multiplication symbol. We mainly use this symbol only. Into 22 by, sorry, is 7 into. So we use for the function mat dot power. So what is this? This is mat dot power function. So what is given here? That double r value. What is the function? Like this here, r to the power 3. So first we will write the value. That what is in r. Then comma. Then what is the power? 2, 3, 4. So what is given here? It is given 3. So we should use 3. 3. Then we should use, I will told you that in public class and this we should not use semicolon, but this in we should semicolon. Then what told another? Return the volume of the sphere using the formula. Then we have to return. So we can, for returning value we should use like this only. Return v. Then semicolon. Then we should use close the program. This is closing g. Then for any errors, if we have any errors, then I should compile. You will check any error. So class compiled, no syntax error. I should exit. We are here now. So what checking we should use? See, here came double volume, double r. So volume dot volume. So if I put 4.5, the radius. Okay. Then see here volume dot volume return double volume. So like this we can now open the editor. So in this you should not create another class, because in this class only we have to create all these two also. So now let's create. So class is cool. If we write any another thing, then it is problem. We have to write in that only. So let's what came here. Then again what it has told. Then another. You can try third by ours yourself. I will make the second also. Public static. So we will write this full. Double volume. This main, because we have to calculate volume in this, but here with height and radius. So we have now to assign two variables. one double, R, then we have to put comma, double H. And remember, we can assign as much as function we want to assign in that public class. In any class, we can assign many functions. So double V is equal to, but remember we have first assigned here, so we have to assign again here now because another function is coming. So how we have to calculate this? 22 by 7 into R 2 by 7 into power, then again R, and they are given is 2. What is given here? 2 and R, then into. I have told that is not asterisk symbol, that is the multiplication sign, then H. Remember, if you have typed here H and here you are typing small, then it will be wrong because the particular uppercase and lowercase letters are not similar. Then here we have also return. It is asking for return, no? Yes, return the volume of the cylinder. So what we will type here? Return V. Sorry, I have forgot one thing, very important one thing, that I have not opened the function. There, this is very important. See, I have forgotten one thing. Sorry, because my mind diverted. Sorry. This we have to, for that function we have to again put a curly bracket for using that particular function. And then this function, that curly bracket, that for this curly bracket, this for. Then close that main class. Then we have to compile for errors, syntax errors. Can come again on my window. Then here comes here. I will type 3.65. Okay. So like this, if you have to type another, and you can start from here again, public static, then assign the value as the argument, return the volume of cuboid formula. So what is the formula of cuboid? It is not came here. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, then return V, then close the bracket, then close the main, then another will come. So like this is the 15 marks questions. I have not told anything about the comments. We have to write comments, and comment is very important because in the 15 marks question, about 5 marks are for comments only. I will discuss more about comments. So this is the basic about. I have not told about the use the questions about import java.util using any other functions. It is very simple program and it is asked in 2018 ICC questions. So see, you can do if you remember all the concepts. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please like. Bye.